viewers, welcome to our home.
The view, it's so striking.
The view doesn't look like Mumbai, it looks like Dubai sometimes.
Oh, there's a cute little pool also.
इस बिल्डिंग में सिर्फ 7 घर हैं. 7th floor is धोनी's. Neha Dhupia is just
Second,
moved.
flat number 3 is Guru Randhawa.
You have some amazing neighbors for sure.
I think all my wardrobes have been taken now.
मैंने 3 wardrobes बनवाए हैं. But अभी भी मेरे पास इससे कम है wardrobe.
So the problem is you, Stephen.
Yeah,
Yes?
I know.
Okay. Is there anything that you've managed to change about Nupur?
Probably like keeping the room clean.
Please, can we have the interview? Just please go out. छोले बने हैं, सांबर है. I am the person in my family who made quinoa biryani first. मैं बिरयानी के अंदर सांबर मसाला भी डाल सकती हूँ.
Oh!
You wouldn't know. Guys, are you ready to have cold chola bhatura?
Okay, Nupur is calling us.
अरे शूट कर रहे आ रहे चुप रहो बस थोड़ी देर.
उत्तपम ला दो प्लीज. आकांक्षा गरम भटूरे.
The uttapam and chutney is amazing. Perfect marriage है. कुछ आपका, कुछ आपका.
I don't know what genetics इनके हैं. Priti keeps eating all the time.
आलू पराठाs and everything.
Really?
When my sister's with us, she clicks your photos only because you're my husband. Otherwise, she wouldn't.
Dude, you have a very expensive photographer.
Yeah, hello.
You have Kriti Sanon clicking your pictures. I mean, how lucky are you? तो वैसे आप लोग share करते हो outfits? Look, he's laughing.
Every time she's on the phone and Kriti will be like, अरे ये मेरा वो लेके चले गई, ये मेरा वो लेके चले गए. She'll complain it to me.
दूंगी अगर मेरी बहन को
पूरा
कुछ
ध्यान
किया
रखती है.
You have some amazing friends, no? From Salman Bhai to MS Dhoni.
Generally भाई को सब गुस्से में देखते हैं. Nupur was also scared.
मुझे तो लगा ये so
इंडिया में हमेशा न्यूली वेड कपल्स को घर बुलाया जाता है. But on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, I have been invited to the newly wed Nupur Sanon and Stephen के gorgeous Bandra home में. I mean, look at this view.
Hello. Hi.
You have these two little ones welcoming you first.
How are you?
I'm good. The newly wed glow is still there.
Still there?
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
So, इनका नाम क्या है?
That's Zoe. That's Phoebe. She's
Phoebe.
my Dahej that's come to the house with me.
तो कितना टाइम हो गया यहाँ शिफ्ट हुए?
I shifted here 2024 November.
मुझे 6 महीने हुए.
6 महीने. फीबी के साथ और क्या क्या आया दहेज में?
बस फीबी आई है और फीबी बहुत खुश है यहाँ पे.
Phoebe अपनी बहुत सारी डिमांड्स लेकर आई है.
Okay.
The princess here.
And what about Zoe? Low maintenance?
Yeah, low maintenance. She's
Low
trained.
maintenance.
She's trained by me.
She's trained.
They are the same breed.
breed, but
Okay.
it's just
She's
weird
just
that-
taller and like
Yeah, she's
bigger.
just taller and bigger. Though she's younger.
अच्छा, और responsibilities आप दोनों में equally shared है?
No, I think I do more.
You do more
What? No. Responsibility is for the dogs.
for everything.
Then to like she's nowhere. I'm only doing all the responsibilities.
We like the start.
What the hell? Please, can we have the interview? Just the two of us. Please go out. Who's done this house, Stephen?
A lot of inputs are from here.
Give me a percentage, like out of 100.
70% is you, 30% is me.
And this comes nowhere.
डरा हुआ आंसर दिया है बेचारे ने. 70% is you. I like the start already, guys. I would love to see your house. पहले तो the view, it's so striking. How do you get a view like this in Mumbai, Stephen?
I think 2 years back when I came here to just see a house for rent and all, I think that's when I really liked this side of view, especially from the reclamation to the Worli side.
Right.
I loved it, and that's when I thought of like buying this one.
Honestly, when I came, when he showed me the house, I told him the view doesn't look like Mumbai, it looks like Dubai sometimes.
Has it sunk in, guys, कि शादी हो गई, आपके पास एक roommate है, permanent roommate?
I think all my wardrobes have been taken now.
Oh,
I'm
we
hardly
know
left
the
with any
wardrobe struggle.
मेरे पास भी बहुत कपड़े हैं और इसके पास भी बहुत कपड़े हैं, so we were like we need more wardrobe and that was the first thing. मैंने 3 wardrobes बनवाए हैं, but अभी भी मेरे पास इससे कम है wardrobe. मेरा होता है कि अगर कोई एक event है और there's something वो भाड़े के हैं,
Source किया, you
source किया
return.
and they're gonna go back. इसके आते हैं and they don't go back.
So the problem is you, Step.
Yeah,
Yes.
I know.
Okay. You both love music, right?
Steven plays. मुझे लगता है मैं यहाँ stairs पे बैठती हूँ sometime and he's playing. Come. गर्मी है, but it's worth it.
Oh, there's a cute little pool also over here.
Yes. हमने बंद कर दिया ये पूल भरना बिकॉज कुछ टाइम से बिकॉज पानी का इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Garden has been like destroyed because
Yeah.
of this last few weeks of rain.
How do you say it's so beautiful?
अब सोचो अभी तो नॉर्मल वेदर ही है. जब यहाँ पे बारिश चलती है तो you can't even stand here because it's really clean.
Yeah.
आपको कितने साल हो
very
गए
windy.
मुंबई में अब?
For me, it's been 10 years now.
I think 8 years.
What do you all remember of coming to Mumbai and first few days or months of being here?
Lokhandwala, like
Yeah.
Lokhandwala market, back road. I met him
From
there
one studio to
when-
another
yeah.
studio. Food in Lokhandwala used to be my place where I used to eat all the time.
Kriti moved like some years before me, 4-5 years when I actually moved and then we were roommates.
पता है जब मेरी सिस्टर की शादी हुई थी पहले तो I was very excited that I'll get
आप
the
छोटी
whole
बहन हो
मैं
कि
छोटी हूँ
छोटी हो?
so I was very excited I'll get the whole room to myself
Okay.
but the day she got married I couldn't stop crying
That's
like
so
मैं अपनी शादी में भी नहीं रोई पर मैं उसकी शादी में इतना रोई. How was it for you and Kriti?
हमारे रूम्स कॉरिडोर ऐसा है, हमारे रूम्स
हाँ.
बिल्कुल फेसिंग ईच अदर है. मैं अभी भी लड़ती हूँ अगर मैं कभी अपने घर जाती हूँ और मेरे कमरे में मुझे कुछ भी उसका जैसे होता है ना समटाइम्स आफ्टर अ पॉइंट आपके कमरे को एक गेस्ट रूम की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है कि डंप कर दो लाइक दैट्स योर डंप यार्ड और समथिंग. द
Yeah.
मोमेंट आई सी एनी एक्स्ट्रा बैग डंप्ड हियर आई गो लाइक आई एम लाइक दिस इज स्टिल माय रूम. Keep this away. I want my room to be clean.
Did Steban also have to go through rounds of approval?
I think he didn't know
He didn't
that
know.
he was being tested. I told my sister before
Yeah.
I told my parents. She really liked him. She loved his voice. When I told my mom about him, she's a teacher, right?
Okay.
She's a professor by profession. So we are scared of her. Okay, how is her reaction to me like? So I think my sister really helped make it very seamless. Like we kind of planned how to tell about Steban and all.
Since it's been 6 months to your marriage, अब मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी. You have to tell me who is in charge. Okay? Who decides what's for dinner?
Nipur.
Who keeps the house tidier?
Steban.
Yeah.
OCD problem.
Who spends more?
Probably me only.
Wow.
Who negotiates better?
No, it's no. Kind of
Negotiating with from people from everything, from prices.
baby, you are willing to give more.
Charity is separate or negotiating with.
हमारे घर में even if you sit with his mom, me and his mom we bond over the fact कि Steban पे अगर छोड़ा तो Steban तो will be like हाँ वो
No,
first thing
that is
that
for
the
our
person.
people. Yeah, I'm just saying
Whatever.
negotiating
No,
from
no.
the like
I-
general world.
Steban,
नहीं,
it's
मैं
been
दिल्ली से हूँ.
rejected. It has to be approved by your wife.
She doesn't know to negotiate.
नहीं मैं दिल्ली से हूँ.
तो भी बुरी हो, मुझे जाना पड़ता negotiate.
नहीं.
Who says sorry first?
She would say sorry generally first, but she would make me say sorry every time first.
I'm the person who sorts things. I don't want to fight and all. So when I melt, he sees that okay, she's also melting, so he also melts. So then I keep a deal कि okay, मैं बोल रही हूँ sorry अभी, but instantly next second you have to say sorry.
टीवी का रिमोट किसके पास होता है? एसी का रिमोट.
So इसके पेरेंट्स को ज्यादा एसी नहीं पसंद, मतलब मॉम को ठंड लगती है. So नीचे ना एसी नहीं चल रहा होता है. I wake up before him in morning. So I literally come down and I tell his mother कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कश्मीर से जयपुर में आ गई हूँ because that's how the temperature in the room is.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Who gives better surprises?
Probably me only.
Okay.
How?
The same question is gonna come to you and gonna say how.
Okay, I agree.
Who's more romantic? Which
She's
scene?
more romantic.
I'm more romantic.
So tell me, what is the most romantic thing you would have done for Steban?
Oh,
Yeah.
she wrote a whole song for me and sang
My
it.
entry
and
song was
on my-
written by
on our
me,
wedding.
composed by me. Like a lot, big part of it was composed by me.
Being a singer,
that
I've never
song.
done that for her.
Yeah,
Who's the family photographer?
Steban. Because the other person in this family is such a bad photographer, which is me.
Also very lazy.
I think any husband who can click really good pictures should get an award of the best husband.
Being so unlucky, not having a good photographer because
One second.
I'm always left with no pictures because I don't have any
That's
pictures.
okay. But then when my sister's with us
Yeah.
in any trip, she clicks your photos only because you're my husband. Otherwise, she wouldn't. And she's a very good photographer.
Dude, you have a very expensive photographer.
Yeah, hello.
You have Kriti Sanon clicking your pictures. I
तो मैं
mean, how
बात
lucky
कर
are
लेती हूँ
you?
बेसिकली इनके साथ. ये मेरी फोटो खींच लेता है, वो भी मेरी फोटो खींच लेते हैं. Then I'm like तुम दोनों एक दूसरे की फोटो खींच.
I have some images और मैंने अपने Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra के Photo Assist से आपके कुछ images को change किया है.
Oh.
You've got to tell me what is it that I have changed. So this is the picture. Tell me what's missing.
7.
Yes.
ये 7 ने पोस्ट करी थी. होली
That's
पे.
right.
Yeah, wow, that was a good edit. मैं ही बोला निकालने का वो frame में से.
What's different in this picture?
We were in Northern Lights, not in Paris.
Yeah, not in Paris. Wow, that was a good edit.
What's missing here?
Salman
Salman Bhai is missing.
Yes.
You know how much he loves music.
Yeah,
So of course, because of music, we've developed a beautiful relationship. I got more attached to him after when he came for our wedding because honestly, he's somebody who's always there for his people. I love him so much.
See, बहुत लोग ऐसे बोल देते हैं कि okay, we'll be there and all, but like if he says he's going to be there, he will.
So I think we love spending time with him.
He's
Different
very
है.
funny. एक situation में आपको पता चल जाएगा कि अच्छा this is the humor.
You cannot get bored with him.
He's a very good observer. So कहीं आप इधर से उधर कुछ कर रहे हो तो उसी समय आपकी क्लास ले सकते हो.
But often misunderstood as well, right?
जो उनको नहीं जानते शायद वही उनको misunderstand कर सकते हैं. His closest people are always around him. The same
There's a
people.
reason why he's called Bhai.
Generally भाई को सब गुस्से में देखते हैं.
Got
Nupur was
that.
also scared in before meeting
I
him
was
कि
a little-
कैसा होगा क्या
yeah,
होगा.
I was a little scared when I came back that day. I told Stephen, I was like, yeah, I really enjoy it and मुझे तो लगा he's so nice, he's so sweet, he's so funny.
Yeah.
So मैं फालतू में इतना डर रही थी.
Tell me what's different in this picture.
I think our outfits.
हाँ, हम क्रिश्चियन वेडिंग में थे और मेरा इतना सुंदर सा
three
लहंगा
piece
चेंज
suit पहना
कर
हुआ
दिया है.
Did you all get married at Fairmont or Raffles?
Raffles.
At
Raffles.
Raffles. But Raffles Udaipur is a beautiful property.
It's beautiful.
We recently did a video on Raffles Udaipur.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just like last week we
Wow, wow,
published
wow.
it. You all should watch it. Lot of memories will be
will.
again
Absolutely,
Yeah, yeah.
100%.
relived. Okay, step in. क्या बदला इसमें?
गाड़ी
Color
का
of the
colour.
color of my car, which I really love. Miami blue changed into silver or like grey.
Such a nice car. Are you really fond of cars?
I love cars and I love driving.
अगर मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है like he'll only drive. He doesn't like कि कोई और drive कर रहा हो.
With a car like that, quite a showstopper on the
Oh,
road,
no,
right?
we honestly don't take this car much out because this is actually too much.
Yeah, it's a head turner. सब
Yeah.
मुड़कर देखेंगे कौन है इस गाड़ी
हम
में?
we generally prefer our family cars and we go there.
इस पिक्चर में क्या missing?
Mahendra
MS
Singh Dhoni.
You have some amazing friends, no? From Salman Bhai to MS Dhoni.
The biggest thing in our life is that more
Yeah.
than our career or our wealth, I think it's been the people we met
Yeah.
and the relationship we maintained with them. Mahi is one of them. I think he's always been guiding us.
So he met Mahi Bhai before he met me. And the one name that he told me, if there's a person I look up to, so it was him.
Every time you'll sit with him, there's something to learn from him and there's something to take from him. We never talk about cricket. We'll just talk about family or goals or wedding jokes.
मेरा केस लिया जा रहा होता है half the time.
Nupur, what has changed in this picture?
मेरे और कृति के outfits change कर दिए हैं.
Oh my God, I couldn't tell कौन सा original है कौन सा AI
हमारे
है.
outfits change हो गए.
पर वैसे आप लोग शेयर करते हो outfits?
Yeah, a lot of times. I've lost a lot of weight before my wedding. I think उससे पहले कृति के कपड़ों में उतनी fit नहीं आ पाती थी because वो excess ऐसे बहुत ही छोटे पहने. I was always a medium. But now I can share.
But
Yes.
she's okay with it? या लड़ाई होती थी कि
She's
नहीं?
okay with it because वो तो मेरे बहुत सारे कपड़े पहनती है.
Look, he's laughing.
Every time she's on the phone and Kriti will be like, अरे ये मेरा वो लेके चले गई, ये मेरा वो लेके चले गए, इसके पास खुद तो ये पड़ा हुआ है, मुझे तो देती नहीं, ये मेरा ये लेके चले जाती है. She's that one, the younger sister, the pampered younger sister.
पहले तो इसके रूम से सामने तो मेरे रूम से ले लेगी. अब मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है तो फिर मुझे यहाँ आना है, राइट? 15 मिनट दूर. अब मैं ऐसे स्लाइली जाती हूँ, everyone's giving me attention and then I go to her room and maybe like, okay, this one particular highlighter I didn't have and I was really wanting to order, नहीं मिल रहा था. I'll slyly take it. I'll go. Then some 10 days later she's gonna notice and she's gonna call me कि तुम लेकर गई हो.
And it's funny because I'm always next to her.
Yeah.
Or she'll complain it to me.
आपने देखा है दोनों को लड़ते
लेकर
हुए?
चली
Have you
गई
been the
है.
peacemaker?
I mean, honestly, मैंने कभी दोनों को लड़ते हुए नहीं देखा. एक दूसरे को ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत चिल्ला देते मस्ती में funny. She's very protective.
होंगी अगर
मतलब
मेरी
ये
बहन को
पूरा ध्यान
किया
रखती है बहन का. And similarly, Kriti, I think she would just pamper her, you know, like cuddle her, just like keep irritating her like that.
Stebin, last one.
प्लेन से आप लोगों ने मुझे ट्रेन में बिठा दिया.
ये मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा था.
This is the one. अच्छा, how are Sundays different? How is the menu different?
मैं पंजाबी हूँ. He is मल्लू क्रिश्चियन. साउथ इंडियन बनाते हैं, okay? And मेरे यहाँ पे छोले भटूरे is like a ritual. कभी कभी बनता ही रहता है. I like South Indian more. And इसके घर पे even if we are not there, sometimes his parents are having छोले भटूरे. So I decided let's have an amalgamation at brunch for you. So we have
Nice.
छोले भटूरे. We
Okay.
have uttapam, coconut chutney and sambar. Everything is made at home.
Wow.
With
Now,
love.
about you, where are you from? What do you like?
So I am Sindhi, married to a Punjabi.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, so I know of a lot of dishes that you are talking about, which I got introduced after my marriage. But chole bhature and all is quite a thing at our house
Yeah.
also.
You know, I'm releasing a Sindhi song.
Sindhi song.
In like next 10-12 days you'll hear it.
अरे तो please सुना दो, थोड़ा सा सुना दो.
Oh, this for the whole Hindi. This is whole country. It's the most popular song which I'm releasing as well. It's gonna come out.
अच्छा,
It's a surprise.
चलो good. Would love to see kitchen में क्या हो रहा है. चले
Let's go, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go check out क्या बन रहा है आज मल्लू पंजाबी फूड. I love the color of your kitchen यार.
This color has been selected by Steven.
और आज क्या क्या बना है यहाँ पर?
छोले बने
छोले.
हैं.
Wow.
सांबर है. अगर आप किसी से भी पूछोगी तो वो भी बोलेगी. All the food I used to make during COVID. She used to bake the desserts and stuff. I am the person in my family who made quinoa biryani first. I'm a very experimental person. मतलब मैं बिरयानी के अंदर सांबर मसाला भी डाल सकती हूँ. You wouldn't know.
Oh.
You wouldn't know. You will taste the biryani and you'll be like, wow, what is this? Like the flavors are so good. Inder, ये Inder, chef. He makes really good chola bhatura. And coconut chutney is yummy.
So we are going to Stebbin's very fancy studio in his beautiful house. Wow, Stebbin, I love your obsession of getting everything right.
Yeah, I mean it is little bit कि मुझे वो थोड़ा सा वो अंदर से ऐसा हो रहा होता है.
My God, एक फोटो जरा सी भी टेढ़ी है. Stebbin wants to make sure कि वो बिल्कुल सीधी हो.
And I believe in like, you know, like very small rooms and, you know, very cozy vibe for my recordings, and I don't want a very huge setup for my recordings and all. I like to be in a corner and, you know, just do my stuff here.
And I was reading somewhere आपने कहीं 1000 से भी ज्यादा shows किए हैं.
Yeah, too many shows because I come from nightlife, so you know we started literally from clubs and all. If you meet people from Bombay, they must have heard me in every Bombay Adda, R Adda, all the smallest clubs, the biggest clubs in Bombay, everywhere.
Okay. Nupur is calling us.
अरे
खाना ठंडा
shoot
हो
कर रहे,
रहा है.
आ रहे.
Guys, are you ready to have cold chola bhatura?
हाँ आ रहे 2 मिनट. चुप रहो बस थोड़ी देर.
We are here. We are coming for the chola bhatura. We are coming.
इस बिल्डिंग में सिर्फ 7 घर है. 7th floor is धोनी's. अभी recently नेहा धूपिया has just moved.
Flat number 3 is Guru Randhawa.
You have some amazing neighbors for sure.
उत्तपम ला दो please.
गर्मा गरम उत्तपम.
आकांक्षा, but गरम भटूरे बोलो ना.
This feels like a perfect, मतलब perfect marriage है. कुछ आपका on the table.
I don't know what
Haven't
genetics
seen
इनके
Kriti's
हैं.
diet.
Kriti
वो
keeps
कुछ
eating
भी
all the
खाती
time
है.
chole bhature and she's like,
Really?
आलू पराठाs and everything. Yeah, she eats everything.
She eats everything and still looks like that.
See, cocktail के टाइम पे she was dieting, so तब नहीं खा रही थी. But otherwise, normal lifestyle में आलू पराठा, butter, everything she has.
Wow, she's one of those lucky people. Because you guys have been recently married, हमें गेम खेलेंगे. Inspired by the movie Cocktail. उसमें वो पूछते हैं एक दूसरे को कितना अच्छे से जानते हैं. मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी. I want to know how much do you both know each other, and just because you all can't change your answers, मैंने पहले ही आप दोनों को सवाल पूछ लिए. When and where was your first meeting?
In his car, we went for a drive.
in my car, went to like pick her up.
किसने बोला ड्राइव पे चलते हैं?
मैंने बोला
नुपुर इंस्टेंटली मान गई या?
नहीं, we both wanted to meet because हम लोग कोविड में थे और मिल नहीं पा रहे थे.
पर उससे पहले आप लोग बस इंस्टाग्राम पर डीएम एंड चैटिंग.
Then phone pay, FaceTiming each other.
We used to video call you.
Everybody was free.
आपने नुपुर का क्या नाम सेव किया अपने फोन पर?
Noops.
How do you think she has saved your number?
Stebin with a heart and a guitar.
Step or Stebin, probably.
Is there any emoticon?
Yeah, heart.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Would you ever check each other's phones?
No, I would not.
No. मैं भी कहाँ करती हूँ. Do I check your phone?
No.
What? I would not. क्या था भाई?
I mean, she must have still like probably like checked like
पर
once
ऐसे
in 2
कभी
years.
फोन
or something.
पड़ा हो
Have I
तो
ever
नहीं.
checked your phone? Like, have I ever taken your phone and checked it?
No.
Ever?
No. She would ask me एक बार बोलो 2-3 साल में एक बार
I'm
कभी
a person कि मैं
ऐसी
सीधा
fun मस्ती
अगर मुझे
में
कभी कुछ भी like if I met someone who I didn't know कि like who's this person and it's very rare that I don't know someone in his life.
Yeah.
So I would just directly go and ask.
अच्छा ऐसे पीप करते हो जब कुछ मैसेज टाइप कर रहे हो? Nothing
नहीं,
like
no.
doubting that
No,
person,
no,
but
no.
वो भी नहीं, दोनों की habits ही नहीं. She
मैं-
knows that I don't like also these kind of things and she is also
no,
like
no.
has changed
Not
I
at
think
all.
from the time I met her.
See, I feel ये जो थोड़ी बचपने वाली चीजें होती है ना, ब्लॉकिंग, बात नहीं करना,
हाँ.
2-3 दिन तक and all, ये चीज ना आपकी रिलेशनशिप को इवॉल्व नहीं करने देती. And I think he really helped me like kind of change those things. मेरे अंदर थी ये.
By the way, मेरे फोन पर है on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I have a privacy display, so I can just switch one button on and nobody can peep into
Nice
my
plugin.
phone.
हम like privacy like left and right वाले नहीं देख पाएंगे ना, या कोई नहीं देख पाएगा.
लेफ्ट और राइट वाला नहीं देख पाएंगे. Proposal date?
3rd Jan would be the actual date.
2nd June.
I said 3rd. Yacht वाले proposal की बात हो रही है. Not asking me out for the first time.
Oh, you're talking to your proposal? I don't know.
इसको लगा आप बोल रहे हो कि asking her out for the first time.
Oh.
That was 2nd July, 6 years back in 2020.
Listen, she is very good with dates.
Yeah, I'm
आप
very
प्लीज
bad.
डायरी बना लो एक फर्स्ट गिफ्ट जो आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे को दिया हो.
He did this 24 gift thing. Every hour का alarm था.
See, मुझे तो याद ही नहीं मैंने first gift क्या दिया है. मुझे
Just
ये
try
याद है.
harder.
I can't remember. Yeah, I tried a lot.
That was the only nice thing you've done in this so many years. The most thoughtful thing you've ever done.
Was it your birthday?
Yeah.
I gave her like 24 gifts for 24 hours.
That's the most thoughtful thing. How can you not remember this? Alarm लगा हुआ था. उनमें से एक गिफ्ट पता क्या था? मुझे अदरक वाली चाय बहुत पसंद है. इसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने from भोपाल, he had come for only for my birthday. So इसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने मेरे लिए I was like चाय बना के ला and all, and that was one of my beach का gift.
और नुपुर ने क्या दिया आपको बेस्ट गिफ्ट?
I think I remember my guitar strap पूरा लिखा हुआ.
On the inside of the strap, there was a note written. I might not be there to cheer you for all your concerts, but I'm there. Something like that.
फेवरेट ट्रिप टुगेदर?
Finland, and like it was a different vibe, magical, and maybe Mykonos because we both love that place.
Mykonos and Finland.
I
both of
said
them.
both the things.
What makes Finland and Mykonos the best place for couple?
Our Mykonos trip was with our whole family, friends and all. Full on friends trip. And then we did another Mykonos trip. It was just 2 of us. That's where I think both of us like we really enjoyed just swimming or just being in the water or all that.
I think
Just to
I've always been a water person. And he wasn't. You know, when your partner is like so in love with something, you try pushing yourself for that. And that was the first time where I saw him trying to get into water. And
Because
now
otherwise he is
slowly-
not a water
He's
person.
not at all. Like उसको swimming नहीं
I'm a
आती, सीख
Piscean,
रहा
but I'm
है.
still not.
Oh really?
Yeah,
So am I,
imagine.
by the way. I'm also a Piscean, but I love.
Oh, wow. When is your
I'm a
birthday?
beach- 20th of February.
But now I love water.
Okay.
I developed my love for water, pool.
So that which means one thing that you've changed about him. Is there
Yeah.
anything that you've managed to change about Nupur?
Probably like keeping the room clean, like OCD, like a little better. I don't think so. She's
Maybe
yet
think about
changed.
bigger things like that you've changed in me.
Probably a little more fire towards everything. Like I'm very mad and passionate about everything I do. Out of
He's
her.
just made me more focused when it comes to even like my business or anything.
Perfume कौन सा लगाते हैं?
उसकी change होती रहती है, but एक LV की perfume है, I know that he really likes.
I have a particular perfume, but now what happens now that every place, like every car has a different perfume. Tom Ford, which I use most of the time, probably the LV Ombre plus.
मैंने LV बोला था.
और नुपुर का कोई है favorite?
Whenever like she'll see me, like whenever we're about to enter somewhere, so I'll take my perfume out of my car and
And
she'll be like, yeah, okay.
straight on
She'll be
gel
like,
also.
yeah, okay.
Okay, favorite song आप दोनों का?
His प्यार दिलों का मेला है and
Really?
Yeah,
We
like
love that
Divine.
song. Yeah, we danced on that. We performed on
That
our
is one
Sangeet.
song we together like.
जाने क्या हुआ है? I love that
Yeah,
song.
yeah, we love it.
How does Stebbin usually express anger? How do you usually react?
He'll be angry, and then I'll show him like some puppy dog face or something, and there'll be like a steady smile that'll come on his face.
I would not talk much. Or probably like my face would just say it all.
We गुस्सा बहुत कम होता है. If he is, then something he'll smile a little bit. Like you'll get to know कि थोड़ा.
And what about Nupur? जब गुस्सा आता है तब क्या होता है?
She would say she can't keep anything
Yeah, but what do you
inside
think
her.
is a good approach?
If there's something, you should talk about it. If there's misunderstanding, talk about it. If you're feeling bad, just say it out to the other person so the other person knows it and you can have the conversation, you can discuss about it.
Relationships in our generation are so so fickle, so frivolous.
Yeah.
So we had this rule that never, no matter how angry you are, no matter what is the like you don't want to talk to the person or something, phone कभी भी काटना नहीं है. You are not. If the person is calling you, you have to pick up the phone, no matter what.
Our thing is that the day should end with both of us sorting. Like
Yeah, that is
night
also
should
a rule that
end
you're not
only
sleeping. You're not sleeping
with
fighting.
the fight.
Yeah, you can't sleep with the fight.
तो ऐसे कभी झगड़ा करते करते उससे को ब्लॉक नहीं किया है?
No,
For
नहीं,
few hours?
No.
No, okay.
कभी नहीं किया.
That's
In
a
the
red
beginning,
flag.
हम जब नए थे जब भी नहीं किया.
He's the more mature person. So in the beginning of our relationship, like first 2 months or 3 months only, किसी बात पे हम लड़ रहे थे and he told me this कि never ये तो then we kept certain rules because I was still childish. So then like I did that rule कि उठा लूंगी phone type, you know, I will not cut and all. So just to pick up and then I used to show the fan, okay, घूमता हुआ. So that's when he used to get to know that I'm angry.
आप दोनों में ज्यादा possessive कौन है?
मैं आई थिंक जो ज़्यादा इमोशनल होता है ना वो ज़्यादा और जो आई थिंक कम मेच्योर होता है. मुझे लगता है कि आई एम अ वेरी मेच्योर पर्सन सेपरेटली
Yeah.
बट विद हिम आई थिंक ही इज अ मोर मेच्योर पर्सन. So like he's very secure and like he doesn't think about outside noise or something.
But was it all crazy for you planning every detail of the wedding? Kriti was full hands-on, na?
She was full hands-on. She was a part of all the groups, like Pinterest. We both used to share first on our private chat ki what are we liking. One time, like so, we had added Stebbin to the group. Stebbin, me and Kriti. We were very irritated because he travels so much and his back-to-back shows. He was not responding to haldi ka decor अच्छा है कि नहीं or whatever. So Kriti one day just messaged ke Nupur, I think we should remove Stebbin from the group because he is giving zero input.
But it's good to see you do extremely well in the fashion space. You've launched your own brand, Label Nobo. What is
Yeah,
it all about
yeah.
and what's your vision for it?
The idea was to firstly start something of my own. This is something fully homegrown. There's nobody involved apart from me and my mom. You will get an everyday set. You will get a dress. If you want to go out, you will get an Indian wear set. You will get everything as per your taste.
I believe you mentioned about how your parents like the private life, and sometimes with paps and everything is blown out of proportion as
Yeah,
well,
oh
right?
God.
I think last time you did give a statement about that.
It is, and I think, but that's the fun. I mean, probably like for people, and you know, like there's one masala which everyone needs.
ये
you know?
मजाक उड़ा रहा होता है. इसको ना next day कोई
Next
reel
day,
दिखा रहा है.
next day when we come home, I mean, probably like my family would get 100 calls from here and there. Oh, you know, there's such news coming out.
This is
and
so
all
I
that.
find it very
You know, and then I
unfair.
would be just laughing and all the time because I feel that, I mean, we all are so used to of all of this, you know,
Yeah.
these kind of.
But we are not. They are not
updates,
right
news.
now. They're not
Yeah.
used to it. Firstly, they are camera conscious.
Of course.
Secondly, because Kriti इतने time से इस industry में है, वो like they're acclimatized to the fact that अच्छा paps होंगे तो कब उनको पता चल जाता है कि उनको खड़ा होना है या उनको निकलना है और इसके पेरेंट्स को अभी तक ये आदत बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. दिमाग में उनकी यही आया सीधा कि अभी इनकी शादी हुई है तो मे बी इनकी लेनी होगी तो दे लेफ्ट एंड माई पेरेंट्स वर बिहाइंड. दे डिडंट सी कि मेरे पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं. ये मजाक उड़ा रहा होता है. ये जो लिखा होता है ना वो सनसनी
What
उसमें
not-
जो लिखा होता है ना
What not was coming out.
स्टेबिन अगले दिन मॉर्निंग में अपनी मॉम के साथ पे नुपुर की सासू माँ ने ऐसे like he's doing it. I'm like Stebbin, don't do this. So mean.
It's funny.
Genuinely, our equation is like of the most chilled equation. We play this game called Sequence
Yeah.
every day at night.
Wow.
Me and his mom are teams, like a team.
Yeah.
And he and his dad.
Yeah.
Usually they lose.
Like she and like my dad, one team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they lost all the matches, so they changed the system.
Yeah, we change the team. We were like, we're not vibing together. Let's not.
So Nupur and her Sasuma make a
Yeah.
good team.
Nupur and her sasu. Oh my god.
No, I also live with my in-laws. I absolutely love it. I feel like the house feels more complete.
there's a performance happening.
जाने
Wow, what a beautiful, the best private concert I've ever got. ये होता रहता है आपके घर पर?
हाँ, ये होता
ऐसे
रहता है। ये
nice.
एक्चुअली गिटार पे भी बहुत होता
नहीं, ये वो घर का वाला वो हो गया ना, घर की दाल वाली टाइप इजी।
अच्छा
है। अच्छा, तो अपने आप को बोल रहा है घर की दाल।
एक बैक शॉट भी लेंगे, बस इधर कट करो क्योंकि इधर
समीर, such a cheap person.